And the Honolulu City Council is looking at ways to give homeowners some relief from high property tax rates.
That can be a challenge because property tax revenue is used to pay for other city services. But council members look to see what can be done. Larry He has lived in Pauoa Valley for years, and not much has changed in this quiet neighborhood except property taxes.
It's been going up the last couple of years, maybe 30%. Yeah, over the years, last maybe 5 years.
For a house appraised at $1 million with the standard $100,000 deduction for a homeowner, most people would pay $3,150 in property taxes. But some could be paying nearly half that rate. The city has a program that caps property taxes at 3% of income if you make $60,000 or less. But very few homeowners take advantage of this, so the Honolulu City Council wants to expand the program.
We only have 3,500 folks who are actually taking advantage of that program. So what we want to do is bump that number up. Council's still debating whether or not it should be 70,000, 75,000, or 80,000 annual income to qualify for this. So that's really exciting. We're trying to help those who need the help the most, and that's folks on limited income.
Another idea being proposed would increase homeowners' standard deductions.
Bill 40 increases your homeowner's exemption from $100,000 to either $110,000 or $120,000, or for kupuna from what is currently $140,000 to perhaps up to $160,000.
Another way to help homeowners would amend the Residential A classification and help those who rent out their properties long-term to others by lowering their taxes. And council members are also looking at expanding the mayor's proposed $300 tax credit even further.
The council's thinking of bumping that up a bit. We know a lot of families are hurting and we want to put that money back into their pockets.
An increase of $50 or $100 may not sound like much, but it can make a difference for those who need it most, from low income to those on fixed incomes.
Every little bit helps, yeah, so anything would be great.
But for every $100 in homeowners' tax credit, the city would be losing more than $15 million in revenue. So now city council members are looking to see what tax proposals will make the most dollars and cents.